Okay. Hi guys.
Ay, yung isa meron yun, isa.
Ang daming birds. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. It's in your... Oh my God, that's so pretty. That's so cool.
Dalawa tayo, pre.
Okay. Sige. Okay, put some... Oh, there's so many birds, guys. Oh my God, that's so cool. Huwag ka maingay, Jane. Oh my God, that's so neat.
Para malapit sila, hindi nila kagad makuha. Ayan, may hikaw yun sa paa. May sing-sing. Oo, may sing yan.
Oh, they're so cool. Look at them. Yeah, if you put some food in your palm, they will come to your, and then they will just grab the food and jump. Oh, that's so neat. Oh my God. Oh, so ibig sabihin may mga taong nag-take care sa kanila?
May bilang.
Meron silang ano.
May tag sila sa paa. Yung iba.
So bawal yan siyang hulihin. Oh, that's neat. Lumapit sa kamay ni Budoy. Ang galing.
Baka naanghangan mo.
Bangang mo yun?
Yeah, that's spicy. There's the birds there.
Sabi siguro, puti na, huwag mo kayo bumalik doon.
They ran away. They're there, oh. There's 4 of them.
Rice na lang kain nila dun. Ewan ko makain mo ng rice. Ito yung ulam nila. Wala na.
They're there.
Ang dami nila, no? Na-video mo ba ako?
Yeah. That was so neat. Pag nandito si kuya mo, maano ni kuya mo yan.
Ayan na nila.
Oh, they don't like that kind of chips, maybe. Ayun sila, oh.
Busog na siguro. Natatawa ako.
Here they are again, guys. There's the birds again.
The way you think of the animal.
Oh, they're coming back. Just come back. Yeah, they're waiting for the birds to come and get their food in their palm. Yeah. That was so cool. Oh, but earlier they come to you.
I know, right? They're full now.
They might not liking the Doritos. He's coming. There's one coming. Okay. There you go.
Oh, nandun sa'yo. Nasa ba?
There. Yeah.
Pinupulot sila na yung mula sa, ano?
Oh, yeah.
There's a blue one. That's so cute. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, they're so cute. Look at the birds. My goodness.
Eat more.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so neat. Oh my God. Gusto nila kay Budoy. Ayaw nila sa'yo pa.
Ayun, no. See?
Oh my God. That's so neat.
More.
There are the birds, guys. That's so neat. Oh, wait.
Nagsisilos yung mga bata.
What? Hey! That was so neat.
Nakakuha ng video?
Yes, I did. No, when they get some food, they run away and then they come back after a few minutes. They're eating far and then they come back, right? Now they're coming back. Oh, that's cute. That's so cool. The blue one.
Ano yung blue jay?
Wow. Oh, that was so neat.
Sana siguro.
Yeah,
Ako rin pumunta tayo sa ano eh. Ang daming ganyan eh. Lumalapit talaga sa tao eh.
that was so neat.
Nakita mo yung isa may mga tatak sa may tatak sa paa.
Yung parang metal?
Oo.
Yeah, I see that.
Sina!
Hey, let's go!
Go!
They're coming back. They're coming back. Okay. Oh, I want the blue jade.
Sana yan?
Matingin mo.
Oo, nandyan. Nandyan.
Got it.
Kay Chris. Inubos niya, Chris.
Oh, that is so cool! Look at this! Hey, you have to try this! You have to try this! Come here, the birds!
Ay, ito, bumalik na naman siya.
They're eating the palm! Huwag ka lumabit sa akin. Do you have some more food in your fingers? In your palm?
Tignan mo isang yan, may ano sa paa, ayun o.
Meron.
Ayun o.
Hindi na lumapit ah. Oo. Gusto niya sa bomba.
He wants the whole bag.
Diyan ako makuha.
Oh, there is coming. There's one on the top of that tree. Now he will.
Tingnan mo sa kamay naman.
That was so neat. I love it.